In this video, I'm going to show how you can crop a photo that is using static objects, vertical and horizontal, and crop the photo so these objects will be at an angle, giving the design movement. Get the crop tool, go on the outside of the crop and turn left or right to get the desired angle and design that you want. Press the Shift key and then click on the bottom right corner to make more room in the design. Click the left side and bring that out so we can see the objects up there. Press Return to keep that design. Choose the lasso tool and loosely select around each corner by pressing the Shift bar to select those extra areas. Go to Edit, Content Aware Fill. Check to see if that looks good, and it looks pretty good. Let's press OK. Command D to deselect. There are a couple of areas that aren't working here, but we can fix those. But that's how you take a static design and make it dynamic by adding angles to give movement in the design.